What's going on, Brian? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So we're gonna try and take a look at your website, see what's going on, see if we can't help, and maybe give some advice moving forward. So right now, the website, I can't find you. So Revamp Homes, Florida.com is pulling up as this site can't be reached. My I mean, obviously other websites are working, so I can't really see anything. So I can't really judge most of what's going on, but I can take a look behind the scenes when I put in your website over here. So it could be, maybe it's new or maybe you just haven't done a lot with it, but I'm going to try and briefly explain what Google is searching for. So right when you have a home page, right, you're going to want, uh, I'm just going to show you. So this is what I call, by the way, painters, Jacksonville, Florida, very much a buyer intent keyword. So we got painters, which is what I'm searching for in Jacksonville, Florida. So it's very specific to where you're at. But as I'm searching for that, a lot of people don't care for ads, but people pay to be up here. So, they're the first ones some people will click on. And then you have, again, this is another ad, but it's very unnecessary because they're right here as well, so they're wasting money. But right here is the Google Map Pack. It's how people can see you. So we definitely want to get somebody in here simply because if you're in here, 30 to 40% of everyone searching for anything will click on one of these three people. So as we scroll down, though, we have more of our organic listing, so you can rank here organically, and people can just click on you. Position you want to be is in the front, like this guy over here. But first page is also nice, but most people don't want to scroll too far down. So we're actually just gonna pick him and look at him. Right, I'm gonna critique him, give you an idea about what's going on, and see what we can do. So his logo is right over here, which is great. He's got home, about us, services. If he's got more services than that, he's going to want them all here. But photo gallery testimonials are very unnecessary. Contact us is great. Only issue I have here with his header is that it's big and he doesn't have his phone number here. People want ease of access. So if his phone number is not here and I got to search for it, people are going to leave. So we want to keep them engaged and right here. So just moving down, he's got a nice photo here. No content that I can see just through half of the website right now. And then, more about us. So he's talking about his painting company, but he's not talking about him. That's a problem. We want to talk about him, or we want to talk about the jobs. So it's just mostly competency, which is fine. Experience, high quality, our reviews, but it's not talking about services. And then obviously the bottom of the website is here. So this is an okay website. Obviously he's doing something right on the back end, but as far as like what you would want in order for me to do anything, I have to click on more buttons, and people don't like clicking on more buttons. Not only that, it doesn't look like we have changed pages, but it doesn't look like a lot happened with that. Oh, and that's a lot of content. You should put this all on the front page. Google wants to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page alone. But let's take a look at his backend area. So he has a UR rating, which is how strong a domain is, or his website is. His is at 28. You want to be at around 30, but his DR rating is at 1.6, which means Google doesn't trust him that much. Why? Well, he's got a lot of backlinks, and that directly ties into the UR and DR rating. Now, a backlink is where you put your website link somewhere else so somebody can click on it. Now, you definitely want them coming back to you. That's what a referring domain is. Now, not all backlinks are created equal, Brian. Some of them are spammy, like, I don't know, BuzzFeed and Wikipedia. We don't care for those. We want something that's like a strong painter's blog or stuff like that. Now, I'm not exactly sure if that, painting is one of your areas of expertise because, again, I can't see the website, so I really can't, like, focus on some of the big things you do. Yeah, but if painting is it, then this is a great, thing to look at. But he also has a lot of keywords that he is working for. So let's find out what those are. So we're going to look at a few things. What are the keywords? Uh-oh. They have signed me out. Let me sign back in real quick. Actually, I could have just clicked here and hit this. So we're just going to do that because it'll be a lot easier. But as far as keywords go, we're going to find out what a good keyword is, how many people a month search for that specific keyword, and then, of course, what traffic he's getting, and then lastly is the position you are on Google. Huh. Come on. We got this. Open up. I hate that, hamster wheel of death over here. All right, so we got it. See, keyword, volume, traffic, and position. And here we go. So Painters, Jacksonville, Florida. So he has an excellent keyword up front. There's 600 people a month searching for it. He's getting 93 of those people, and he's in position 2. So he's doing an excellent job here. But as you can see, all of the keywords he's ranking for, all the top ones over here, where he's in positions 2, 3, 4, and 5 on page number 1 to get it, he's getting a lot of traffic for it. All of these, he's getting a huge amount of traffic. And the case being is because he has a lot of intentional keywords. Jacksonville, painters, 100 people searching, he's got 15, he's in position 2. So that is exactly what we are looking for. So how does this help you out? First off, we got to find out why we can't see your website. It might be a domain issue. It might be your hosting service is out. It could be a whole plethora of things. But we definitely would want at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage alone. Not only that, we want good backlinks. And backlinks are easy to find. All you got to do is search out your competition, take their backlinks that are really strong and use those. And then we got to get in that 2,000 words on the front page. We got to get buyer intent keywords so you can start ranking up. Even if you brought in 200 new people through your website, how much would that change for you? Well, Tim, sorry, wow, my brain is not working today. Brian, I really hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. If you have any feedback for me, I'm always looking to do better. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.